Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to test a 24-volt DC solenoid coil rated at 30 watts. This coil is used in hydraulic and pneumatic valve systems. Solenoid coils convert electrical energy into magnetic force. This force moves the valve spool inside the system. Inside this blue housing, copper windings are sealed with epoxy. The design protects the coil from heat, vibration, and oil. But what happens when extreme mechanical pressure is applied? Now, the solenoid coil is placed under a hydraulic press. Pressure begins to increase slowly. Crack moment. The epoxy housing starts to crack and deform. Structural strength is now failing. The internal copper winding is fully exposed. This test shows why correct voltage, heat control, and installation matter. A solenoid coil is strong, but not indestructible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more industrial destruction tests.